Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Jeep Compass key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Next, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This step is crucial for accessing the battery compartment. Now that the emergency key is out, you'll see a small notch inside the key slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time and apply steady pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing or the internal electronics. It should separate with relative ease. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper function. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the edges match up. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into position. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.